Oh, did I forget to put the night vision in it? Oops. Sorry. Oh, that's... Oh, you know what? With the night vision, it's actually easier to see. Do you have the night vision on?
Yep.
Yeah, I can't see you without it. Okay, look. Take off the night vision. Wait, let me just check so I actually have a...
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
take your night vision off.
Why? No, don't.
On 3. 1,
1,
2,
3.
3.
Yeah, I can't see at all. Guys, I need to send you a screenshot.
Yeah, where
Wait,
are
I
you?
need to turn on my flashlight. Okay, so do you need to know where I am?
I know.
Is my flashlight on?
No.
Is my flashlight on? Now? Guys, can you stop now? Is my flashlight on?
Don't you see?
I can literally not see anything. I hope you're not shooting at me. I can't see anything. Oh, I'm in a bush. Guys, help me. Guys, you actually made me blind.
Really?
Is my mouse working? Guys, I'm actually blind. Guys, I can't see. I literally can't see. Still, I can't see, guys. Oh, yes.
Are you coming? I'm on the east wing almost already.
Oh wait, let me turn on my flashlight. Oh my god. Oh, where are you?
Oh, there's an H.
Is that you shooting?
No.
Oh my god. I was actually blind. I honestly thought that I would never actually see again. I actually thought I would have to go blind through the entire
Yeah,
race.
that's me behind you. If you.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, how's it going? Do you That's a really nice dance moves. Wait, Marco?
Never mind, I gotta stay focused.
Oh my god, I hope you were recording that.
Yeah, I am.
You know what the funny thing about the horses is? I insured them all, so tomorrow I'll get Kaisa, where's my backpack?
I don't know.
Oh my god. I
Okay.
couldn't see it and then I got distracted.